Thinking of starting a business in Germany. Germany, whether you're a freelancer, small business owner, or launching a startup, having the right business insurance isn't just smart, it's essential. But with so many types of coverage, legal requirements, and German-specific terms, it can get confusing fast. In this video, I'll break down everything you need to know about business insurance in Germany, from what's mandatory to what's optional but highly recommended. Let's make it simple and clear so you can protect your business the right way. Business insurance in Germany explained. What you need to know. Germany. Starting a business in Germany is an exciting step, whether you're a local entrepreneur or an international founder. But before you launch your product or service, there's something crucial you need to have in place. Business insurance. Germany has a highly regulated economy, and insurance is not just a safety net. In many cases, it's a legal requirement. In this article, we'll break down the most important types of business insurance in Germany, what's mandatory, and what's recommended depending on your business type. Why business insurance matters in Germany. Business insurance protects you from unexpected risks, like legal claims, property damage, cyber attacks, or employee-related issues. Without proper coverage, even a small mistake can lead to major financial loss. In Germany, being insured also builds trust with clients and partners, especially in industries where liability is a concern. In many professions, you won't be allowed to operate without specific types of insurance. Mandatory business insurance in Germany. Depending on your business type, the following insurance may be legally required. 1. Public liability insurance. Betriebshaftpflichtversicherung. This is the most essential business insurance. It covers damage caused by your business to third parties. For example, if a customer is injured at your office or you damage someone's property while working. White heavy check mark. Mandatory for many businesses like construction, trades, and freelancers dealing with clients physically. 2. Professional indemnity insurance. Berufshaftpflichtversicherung. Covers you if a client suffers a financial loss due to your professional mistake, especially for consultants, lawyers, architects, or IT professionals. White heavy check mark. Often mandatory in regulated professions. 3. Health insurance. Krankenversicherung. If you're self-employed or run a business, you are required by law to have health insurance, either public, GKV, or private, PKV. 4. Accident insurance for employees, Unfallversicherung. As an employer, you must register your employees with a Berufsgenossenschaft, Employers Liability Insurance Association. It covers workplace accidents and occupational diseases. White heavy check mark. Legally required if you hire employees. Optional but recommended insurance. 1. Contents and property insurance, Inventarversicherung. Protects your office equipment, inventory, and tools from theft, fire, or water damage. 2. Cyber insurance, Cyberversicherung. Covers damage caused by data breaches, hacking, and cybercrime, becoming more relevant for digital businesses. 3. Legal protection insurance, Rechtsschutzversicherung. Covers legal fees in case your business faces lawsuits or needs legal representation. 4. Business interruption insurance, Betriebsunterbrechungsversicherung. Covers loss of income if your business operations are stopped due to an insured event, like a fire or flood. How much does business insurance cost in Germany? Costs vary depending on business type and size, annual revenue, number of employees, type and level of coverage. Right arrow. For small businesses and freelancers, basic public liability insurance can start as low as 10 to 20 euros per month. More comprehensive plans can go up to 100 euros plus monthly. Where to get business insurance in Germany? You can get business insurance through traditional insurance companies, e.g., Allianz, AXA, HDI. Digital insurance platforms, e.g., Hiscox, GetSafe, Exeli, Gewerbeversicherung 24. Independent insurance brokers, Makler. Make sure to compare offers and understand exactly what's covered. Final tips before you buy. Know your risks. Every business has different needs. Check legal requirements. Some professions must have specific policies. Don't underinsure. Cheap coverage may not be enough when you really need it. Use a broker if unsure. They can find the best coverage for your situation. White heavy check mark. Conclusion. Having the right business insurance in Germany isn't just about following the rules. It's about protecting everything you've worked hard to build. Whether you're a freelancer, a startup founder, or running a GmbH, make sure you understand what coverage you need and stay protected from day one. Starting a business in Germany can be exciting and rewarding, but it also comes with important responsibilities. One of the most critical aspects that entrepreneurs often overlook is business insurance. Whether you're a freelancer, small business owner, or launching a startup, having the right insurance protects you from financial losses and legal risks. In many cases, certain types of insurance are not just helpful, they're legally required. The most common and essential type of coverage is public liability insurance, Betriebshaftpflichtversicherung. This protects you if your business causes damage or injury to a third party. For example, if a customer slips and falls in your office, or if you accidentally damage a client's property during a job. For many industries in Germany, this insurance is considered a basic necessity. If your business involves giving professional advice or services, then you may also need professional indemnity insurance, Berufshaftpflichtversicherung. This is particularly important for consultants, IT professionals, architects, and lawyers. It protects you if a client suffers a financial loss due to your mistake or negligence. In regulated professions, it's often mandatory. Health insurance is another requirement, especially for self-employed individuals. In Germany, health insurance is compulsory, meaning you must be insured through either a public or private provider. If you have employees, you are also legally required to register with the appropriate accident insurance association, which covers workplace accidents and occupational illnesses. Beyond the mandatory options, there are several types of optional but highly recommended insurance policies. These include contents insurance to protect equipment and office items, cyber insurance to guard against data breaches or cyber attacks, legal expense insurance to help cover legal costs, and business interruption insurance to protect your income if operations are disrupted. Costs for business insurance in Germany vary depending on your industry, company size, revenue, and the level of coverage. Basic plans for freelancers can start as low as 10 to 20 euros per month, while more comprehensive coverage for growing companies may cost 100 euros or more monthly. Germany. Whether you're launching a startup, working as a freelancer, or running a small business, there's one thing you definitely don't want to overlook: business insurance. I'll break down the most important types of business insurance in Germany, what's required by law, and what's simply smart to have, so you can protect your business and avoid costly mistakes. Business insurance isn't just about ticking a box. It's about protecting your business from unexpected risks like legal claims, property damage, cyber attacks, and employee issues. In many cases, insurance is also required to legally operate. Plus, having the right coverage builds trust with clients, landlords, and even investors, especially in Germany, where regulations and risk management are taken seriously. Let's start with what's legally required. 1. Public liability insurance, or Betriebshaftpflichtversicherung. This protects you if your business causes injury or damage to someone else. It's essential if you work directly with customers or on client property. For example, if a customer trips in your shop or you break something while working at a client's office, this insurance has your back. 2. Professional indemnity insurance, or Berufshaftpflichtversicherung. This is especially important for professionals like consultants, IT experts, lawyers, and architects. It covers you if a client suffers financial loss due to your advice or service. In some regulated fields, this is not optional. It's required by law. 3. Health insurance. If you're self-employed or own a business in Germany, you're legally required to have health insurance, either through a public provider, GKV, or private, PKV. No exceptions. 4. Accident insurance for employees. If you hire staff, you must register with a Berufsgenossenschaft, which is a government-backed accident insurance provider. It covers workplace injuries and occupational illnesses. Now let's talk about optional insurance that can still be a smart investment. Contents insurance, Inventarversicherung. This covers your office equipment, tools, or inventory in case of fire, water damage, or theft. Cyber insurance. If you operate online, collect data, or handle client information, cyber insurance can protect you from hacking, data breaches, and digital threats. Legal protection insurance, Rechtsschutzversicherung. Legal battles can be expensive. This covers your legal fees if you need to defend your business in court or settle disputes. Business interruption insurance. If your business operations stop due to a fire, flood, or other disaster, this insurance can help cover lost income and fixed expenses. Costs depend on your business size, type, revenue, and the coverage level. For freelancers or solo entrepreneurs, basic liability insurance can start at just €10 to €20 per month. For larger businesses or multiple policies, it might go up to €100 or more monthly. The good news. There are many providers in Germany, from traditional companies like Allianz and AXA, to modern digital platforms like GetSafe, Hiscox, and Exeli, so you can compare and choose what fits your needs. To sum it up, business insurance in Germany isn't just a legal formality, it's a vital safety net for your success. Understand what's mandatory, choose what's strategically important, and make sure you're fully protected from day one. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you have any questions about business insurance in Germany.